Question number 4. Photosynthesis is an important chemical reaction in a plant. 4.1 is an A1 question, and this question is from photosynthesis and the rate of photosynthesis. Why is light needed for photosynthesis? The light provides energy to the plant for photosynthesis because photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction and plants take the energy to make glucose in the leaves. Therefore, the plants need energy from the light. Let's see the model answer. Light provides energy for photosynthesis. Enzymes are present in the leaves and they need energy to do photosynthesis. Therefore, the light provides energy for photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction. So, endothermic reactions are those reactions which need energy to start. 4.2 is an year 1 question. This question is from the topic of photosynthesis and the rate of photosynthesis. What is the equation of photosynthesis? Student must know the definition of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and make glucose, and oxygen is produced as a byproduct. In this equation, we can see here, so carbon dioxide and water are used as reactants, whereas the glucose C6H12O6 is a product and oxygen is formed, that is on the right side or on the product side. So the correct answer is, that is, carbon dioxide and water, they make glucose and oxygen. If you look here, the carbon dioxide and the water are used, but they are not making glucose. That is the problem in this equation. So the correct answer is third one. 4.3 is an AO3 question and AO1 question, and it relates to the investigation of rate of photosynthesis. It relates to practical activity number 5 in the combined science. A student investigated the effect of different colors of light on the rate of photosynthesis at room temperature. The student used pondweed in the water. A piece of the pondweed was placed in red light, then in blue light, and then in green light. Each color of the light was the same intensity. Describe how the student should make accurate measurement to obtain the valid results for the rate of photosynthesis. In this experiment, the student is using different color of lights, red light, blue light, and green light. On the other hand, the important information is given. The student needs to bring the accurate measurement and the valid results. Let's see the model answer. The student leaves the pondweed in the light a few minutes before the investigation starts. The reason is that the pondweed will become at the equilibrium temperature to that of the water. The student should use the gas range to measure an accurate volume of the gas produced. The gas range in this experiment is related to accurate measurement. The student should use the stopwatch to measure the time for the fixed volume of the gas produced. So the stopwatch is another way which helps to bring us the more accurate measurement. The student should repeat all points and take mean time value. Repeat all steps for all other light colors also. So in this experiment, student is repeating, that is for the red color light, blue color light, and the green color light, to see the effect of the color of the light on the rate of photosynthesis. A student investigated the effect of different wavelengths of the light on the rate of photosynthesis. The wavelength of the light determines the color of the light. The figure number 8 and figure number 9 are given. Here is figure number 8, and student results are also shown. The rate of photosynthesis is along y-axis and the colors are given along x-axis. For the red color, the value is given. For the blue color, is the highest photosynthesis, that is about 9, and for the green color, it is about 6. Here I mention some of the important information. These are the categories. So therefore, these are the discrete variables. So discrete variable means the fixed value or the fixed name. If you go on the next page, page number 19, the figure number 9 is given here. The rate of photosynthesis is given, but here is not a bar chart. We can see a continuous line is given here, and I already elaborated my graph to help the students. In figure number 8, on the x-axis, the name of the colors are given, but here the wavelength of the light is given in nanometers, and the rate of photosynthesis is along y-axis. So it is a continuous graph in the form of a line. Therefore, I put here the continuous variable. 4.4 is an AO2 question, and it is from the rate of photosynthesis. Why all the results for the two investigations represented differently? If you want to understand what does this question demands from the student, if you see here, this is a continuous graph. If you go to figure number 8, we can see that it is a bar chart. If you see the figure number 9 and figure number 8, along x-axis, the fixed categories are given. But in figure number 9, the wavelength of the light is given. So the two investigations are represented in a different way. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is the figure number 8 shows the bar charts. The independent variable are along x-axis. They are actually the colors of light, and they are discrete values. Discrete value mean the fixed values. The fixed values are there, the red color, the blue category, and the green category is there. But on the figure number 9, the independent variable is the wavelength of the light. And we know that there's a line graph is given instead of the bar chart, and it is a continuous line given here. Student will get 1 mark for analyzing the figure number 8 and 1 mark for analyzing figure number 9. 4.5 is an AO3 question, which is from the rate of photosynthesis. Suggest the range in wavelength of green light. Use figure number 8 and figure number 9. I will advise the student they should use the figure number 8 first before using figure number 9. For the green light, among all three colors, blue, red, and green, the rate of photosynthesis is the highest for the blue color. Second place is for the red color, and for the green color, the rate of the photosynthesis is the least one. From here, we're going to use the information to apply our knowledge on figure number 9. We have one peak here, second peak of photosynthesis rate is given here, and here the graph value is very low. So it means that if it is a blue color, is here we have the highest rate of photosynthesis. If we compare the figure number 8, the second highest is, that is red color. This is my second peak. And the lowest value of photosynthesis is coming for the green color. So I divided it in two zones here, zone A and zone B. That is about the zone for the green color. The student can pick the values here. I pick the value. The lowest values are here in the range of 490 to 557 nanometer. That is the wavelength of the green color. For 4.5, the range of the wavelength for the green light from the figure number 9 is 490 to 557 nanometer.